Welcome to the Backyard TV Lounge, my dear. What would you like? Did you hear about our new liquor?
Yes, I did hear about the new liquor, but I am not sure about the name.
No problem, my love. The name is Tump.
Tump. Did you say Tump?
Yes, dear. Tump. Great liquor. One shot of Tump, one Tump, and you will be super sweet.
Oh wow. I would like to try it, but how do I order it? I just want to make sure I get the right Tump.
Oh yes. That is easy. Just come to the Backyard TV Lounge and tell the bartender you want Tump in your mouth.
I am excited. I will tell all my girlfriends to come to the Backyard TV Lounge and get Tump in their mouth.
Sound wonderful, my dear. The Backyard TV Lounge is the only place you can get Tump in your mouth.
How many Tumps would I need to put me in the mood?
Tump is strong. Last night, all Cherry had was one Tump and she was off the hook.
Wow. I will make sure I bring a designated driver when I come to the lounge. Goodbye, kind man. See you soon.
Take care, my love. See you soon. And remember our slogan, come to the Backyard TV Lounge and get Tump in your mouth.